Hey, what's going on guys, it's Shade here and we just got the WD My Passport and I thought I should give an unboxing and a review of this and see if it's the best external hard drive that you can get. So before we begin with this video, I challenged you something in the last video and the winner of the challenge was Tarun Vamsi. Shout out to Tarun Vamsi for winning the challenge. And I want to know from you guys, should I keep this challenge going on in every video? And you can poll it right here in the top right corner in the info card. Yeah, got it this time. This side and this side top right corner. This is the packaging of the WD My Passport. You can also get it up to 4 terabytes for yourself. On the front you can see the render of the hard drive and this is how the drive will look like. It features auto backup and password protection for your data and this is in some other language. On the bottom it says portable storage. And again there is some other language. Again it's a 1 terabyte version, WD backup, a 3 years warranty and WD security. When we flip this to the side there is the WD logo and my passport on the bottom. Flip it over to the back and you can see some details on the hard drive. The MRP of the device, which is 7,980 Indian rupees. And we bought this for 3,800 Indian rupees, roughly around $50 for the 1 terabyte version. As these prices are always fluctuating, you can check the links in the description to find out the current price. On the bottom we can see the content of the package. We'll get the hard drive obviously, USB 3.0 cable, some WD software and quick install guide, which is the most important content of this package. On the compatibility side it says it's compatible with Windows 7, 8.1 and 10.1, and if you want to use this on a Mac you have to reformat it. It doesn't say any read or write speed, so we'll test that out in a few minutes. Now on the left side of the box is identical to the right side. Enough of talking about the box, let's get to the real deal here, the WD My Passport hard drive. The hard drive is very nicely packed. If you do care about the packaging, the hard drive is secured in this plastic case and crack it open from this side. The WD My Passport sits nicely in here and it's well covered with these plastic sheets to protect it from scratches. As per Tech YouTube tradition, let's keep this to the side and see what else we have in here. This is the USB cable that is 1.5 feet long, USB 3.0 for connecting this hard drive to your PC or laptop or any other USB-A ports. Other than that, we get the most important thing in this package, which is the user manual, and this is something you all clicked for, right? Moving on, let's take a closer look at the WD My Passport drive itself, and the best part of peeling the hard drive begins. But those were the contents of the box. Let's see how this performs in the real world. To begin this off, we will start by the design and the build quality of the WD My Passport. This time WD decided to go with a boxy look with the very sharp edges instead of the curve that they used to do this with their WD Elements hard drive design. The hard drive is half glossy and half matte, which is very similar to the design of the Microsoft Xbox One, and do keep in mind that this glossy area will be more prone to scratches and fingerprints. On the front we do have a WD logo and there's nothing else on the drive. To connect this hard drive there is a USB 3.0 port on the bottom along with the white LED indicator which indicates the power and read-write detection. To stop this drive from slipping away, there are 4 tiny square feet on the bottom which after a certain period of time might come out as most of the hard drives. Overall the drive feels very premium and the build quality on this is way better than what they used to sell these cheap plastic drives. The hard drive doesn't squeeze as much as their WD Elements hard drive does. Now moving on to the speed test, we can connect this drive to our computer via 1.5 feet long USB 3.0 cable which was included in the box. After connecting this drive, you can see that we get 999.7 GB of space out of 1 terabyte, which is pretty cool. This device works directly with Windows, but if you want to use this on a Mac then you have to format it in the FAT32 version. And if you wish to use this with your Xbox or PS4, then you should be okay with it. Inside the drive we get the WD Discovery software which can test your hard drive and you can set the drive to automatically go to sleep after a certain period of time. You can also set the LED light to turn off and much more. For speed testing this hard drive, I'm using the Blackmagic software on my MacBook Pro and we are getting roughly around 120 megabytes per second speed. Now I'm going to copy a 600 megabyte video file on this and it took around 2 to 3 seconds to copy this video to the hard drive. Pretty snappy though. And if I try to copy that video back, we are getting it done in 2 to 3 seconds. This was just one single big file. If you try to copy multiple small files, then it will take a much longer time, so do keep that in mind. So I think that this is the best external hard drive that you can get, better than this WD Elements which they used to sell with cheap plastic and always give you heart attacks. But anyways, the build quality on this is pretty good and we are getting a good read and write speed too. For the price, you can check out the links in the description, as these prices keeps on fluctuating, so you can get the current price from the links down below, so you can check them out. But no matter if you get the best hard drive on the planet, you know what will happen if you drop this. You thought I'm gonna drop it. So we totally recommend this external hard disk case, which is the TSM external hard disk case, which recently we did a video on this. Not just this hard disk case, but any hard shell case that can protect your hard drive from drops and bumps and water splashes and whatsoever. And if you want to see the full review of this, links there and in the description too. So I think the WD makes best external hard drive, better than other companies. But I want to know from you guys, which external hard drive do you use? Which brand? How much storage? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Hit the like button if you're awesome and share this video with your fellas who are looking for a new hard drive. You can also subscribe to the channel and enter the Inventar squad, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.